How to fix GTA 5 entry points not found, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do just go to settings here, then go to update and security. Once you're here, now just click check for updates and then just wait. And if you find an update here, just update your Windows, and after that let's move to the next step. Now once you're here, just right click on GTA 5, then go to properties. After that go to compatibility, and then just enable run this program and run this program as an administrator, and then click apply and close it. And after that just restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.